हाय हेलो नमस्ते वनकम सत श्री अकाल आदाब। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ए बी आज। तो कैसे हो सब लोग। लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। मेरा नाम XYZ। आई एम ए होटलियर। व्हाई एम आई हियर? टू गिव सम नॉलेज अबाउट अल्कोहलिक बेवरेजेस। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। फर्स्ट वीडियो एंड द फर्स्ट टॉपिक, व्हाट इज अल्कोहल। अब सारे ब्रांड्स का नाम बोल दें, ये नहीं है। मैं अल्कोहल का मतलब जानना चाहता हूँ। तो उसका मतलब ये है, लिक्विड ऑब्टेन्ड थ्रू ए फर्मेंटेशन ऑफ ए शुगर कंटेनिंग लिक्विड। अभी इस लिक्विड क्या है? लिक्विड is an ethanol alcohol. It is an organic chemical compound और इसका फॉर्मूला भी है C2H6O. To say it in a simpler way,
take ethanol alcohol plus sugar compounds like fruits, grains and others. This both product will go to fermentation method and you will get alcohol.
and in this also alcohol as a percentage starting from 0.5 percentage of alcohol to 95 percentage of alcohol content. Let's go to next step, which is fermentation. Now what is fermentation? Fermentation is a process in which sugar is converted into alcohol and chemical reaction of yeast on sugar, basic preparation of alcohol. Now let us understand how this fermentation process takes place. In this fermentation process we need three ingredients. They are yeast, sugar and alcohol. Whereas yeast acts on sugar, gives out alcohol and releases carbon dioxide. It means yeast acts on sugar and converts sugar into ethanol alcohol and carbon dioxide. हर एक अल्कोहलिक ड्रिंक में ईस्ट मिला ही होता है। तो अभी आप सोच रहे होंगे कि क्या हम ईस्ट पीते हैं? नो, ईस्ट को एक टाइम पे किल कर देता है। किल कैसे करता है? आप एक ड्रिंक ले लो तो उसमें चाहिए आपको 5% ऑफ अल्कोहल। जब आप उस लेवल पे आधा भी उस ईस्ट को किल कर देता है, तब आपका फर्मेंटेशन प्रोसेस एंड हो जाता है। वंस यू किल द ईस्ट, योर फर्मेंटेशन इज स्टॉप। अभी फर्मेंटेशन के लिए क्या क्या नेसेसरी है? ईस्ट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, शुगर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, टेम्परेचर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अभी आप पूछेंगे टेम्परेचर, हाँ, अभी शुगर और ईस्ट को पानी के साथ ही मिक्स करना पड़ता है, तो वो टेम्परेचर मेंटेन रहना चाहिए। दैट टाइम यू गेट अ प्रॉपर ड्रिंक। लेट अस गो टू नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, which is source of malt. Now what is source of malt? Like you can say this is a main ingredient for making any alcoholic beverage. So in this there are four categories: grains, fruits, vegetables and others. So in grains there are barley, rye, corn, wheat, rice, malt, etc. And in fruits you can take all kinds of fruit, and if you come to vegetable you can take any kind of vegetable, and in others there are plum, honey, milk and sugar. So these are the source from which alcohol is made through. Let us go into classification of alcoholic beverage. So alcohol beverage is divided in three stages: fermented beverages, brewed and fermented beverages and distilled beverages. So let us know detailedly about this. Let us talk about fermented beverages. What do you mean by fermented beverage? The beverage made from juice. So in this there are four types: wine, cider, perry and mead. So let us go deep into it. Wine obtained from fermented juice of collected fresh grapes. Cider obtained through fermented apple juice and a mixture of 25% of pear's juice. Perry obtained through fermented pear's juice and also it has 25% of apple juice added to it. Mead. What is mead? Fermented of honey with water, sometimes made with various fruits, spices and grains, etc. Let us go to next one, which is brewed and fermented beverages. In brewed and fermented beverages there are two types. One is beer, second one is sake. So beer means which is made from fermented barley, and sake is a Japanese drink which is made from fermented rice. Last topic is distilled beverages. What do you mean by distilled beverages? In this distilled beverages, ethanol alcohol is increased. So this distilled beverages can also be called as distillation. Distillation principle is based upon different boiling points of alcohol. So alcohol should be boiled at 78.5 degrees Celsius and water should be boiled at 100 degrees Celsius. In distillation there are two types: pot still and patent still. In distillation, there are so many varieties of beverages, includes whiskey, brandy, gin, rum, vodka, tequila. Till now, we have covered what is alcohol, what is fermentation, process of fermentation, classification of alcoholic beverages. In upcoming videos, I'll be talking about preparation of beers, whiskey, tequila, rum, gin, vodka, etc. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Signing off, your XYZ.